Alright, so our next little project for Z71 is we're gonna pretty much do a chrome delete on the bow ties. We already have like the black insert, what a lot of people like to do, but we're gonna vinyl wrap the chrome parts satin black. Got it from our vinyl, so just ordered online through the company, and they gave me like, you know, you can select which sizes, like how length, you know, how wide, and then got it in a roll. So right here I got gloss black and I got satin black. Might be hard to see on the camera, but there's two different rolls. But we're gonna use the satin black for the chrome delete. And then on Amazon I just got the like a vinyl wrapping kit. Comes with like the felt squeegee, little blade, little cutter, and some extra blades. And then on top of that, we're gonna use a heat gun. I got this one from Harbor Freight probably 3 years ago. Still works good. So. Let's get started. First we gotta get the vinyl wrap that we're actually gonna use.
Do we have to cut it, or we have to like?
Yeah, eventually we're gonna cut it. Like we're gonna size it up, and then see how much we need, and then pretty much try to use what we need.
So they gave us two?
Yeah, because I ordered both. Because I want to do the front, gloss black, since everything's flat black.
Oh.
And then this is here. So
Yeah.
I'm gonna mark it all right here.
Okay.
All right. Yeah. After.
Good?
Yeah. Let's do that.
Yeah, we're gonna cut it now. This one, right?
Yeah.
Here?
Yeah.
Straight?
Yep. Straight across.
What if I make a mistake?
Don't cut me.
Oh my god, this is fun. Hold on, okay? Because the top part. Okay, hold on. Make sure the top part.
Good thing about this, you can stick it and then and peel it off
Okay.
if you need corrections. So.
Done. This one. So we're finally done with vinyl wrap. We did a bow tie. back part, right? And these ones. This one and that one. Not too bad. Not too bad for first timers, I guess, right? Pretty cool.
So that's pretty much it. We just got done vinyl wrapping the truck, chrome delete, bow tie in the lower bumper area. As you can see, came out pretty good. We still left the black insert, so it kind of like this differentiate a little bit. The lower, I like the lower one. I don't know if you can see it right now, but the lower came out really good. My wife, she did an outstanding job. She has more patience than me, so it took a little work, but we got it. A lot of patience and perseverance. But we got the vinyl wrap from our vinyl. We'll send a link on the description.
How much?
I don't really remember off the top of my head, but we'll send a link, and then that way you can look for yourself. The cost depends on how much you want, what type of film you want, and all that. But they have everything from headlight tints to vinyl wrapping, everything. And then as you can see, there's all these that they deal with. The vinyl wrap that we used was from 3M, so really good stuff. Good quality vinyl wrap. So we actually nailed 2 projects today. We did the reverse light upgrade to LED from GTR Lighting, and then we did the chrome delete on the truck. And then next is we're going to open up some of these boxes we got from Rough Country. Christmas came early. So, but if you have any questions or comments, drop them below. We'll try to get back to you as fast as we can. And if you can, subscribe and like. Until next time, ciao.